Hello people, Greg the Wild Hippie back once again. Just about to make a start on this monster. Yeah, the Revell's 172nd B17G Flying Fortress. I made one of these probably about 6 years ago. It was a great kit. Don't have it anymore. It got broken when I was moving house, sadly. But yeah, let's going to get stuck into this one. As always, I'll bring you back when I've done a little bit. See you shortly. That's a lot of paints needed for this one. That is a combination of two of the others. So yeah, a lot of these are only going to need like a little dab, but yeah, that's the paint sorted out anyway. So cool. Right, onwards and upwards. Right, okay, so I said I'd bring you back when I've done a little bit. So I've done the painting of the interior bulkheads. Reasonably happy with them, as always. Need a few touch-ups in places. I've done the inside of the fuselage with the American interior green. Yeah, let all that dry and then probably start the build. Bring you back when I've done a bit. Alright, hello guys, yeah, it's a couple of days later, done a little bit, mainly been painting. So yeah, I've got half the bomb bay together. I would have done more, but yeah, yesterday when I painted up the bombs, yeah, I only painted 2 of them. So currently waiting for first coat of paint to dry on these ones, and then I'll recoat. So yeah, ground to a little bit of a halt. Which is mildly frustrating, but never mind. Yeah, I've started painting the cockpit as well, and a few other bits. Nothing really to show at the moment. So yeah, seems to be the story of our lives as model makers is watching paint dry. It's probably nearly ready for its second coat. But yeah, once I get the bomb bay fully built and together, I'll bring it back. See you shortly. Right, got the bomb bay made up, all the bombs in there. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's the first section of the interior done on this one. Gonna start on the cockpit next. So yeah, bring it back when I've done that. Right, okay, that's the cockpit put together. Went together very nicely. Can't really see it very well with this camera. But yeah, quite happy. Yeah, onwards to the next bit. Alright, yeah, managed to get the front section done in front of the cockpit. Can't really see it massively well. Bombardier and navigator's position. Yeah, managed to do that this afternoon. Yeah, all looking good, all dry fitted into place. Yeah, I'll bring you back when I've done the next bit. See you shortly. Alright, hi guys, yep, back again. Done the radio operator's room. There's sort of the main part of it. I'll try and put it down without breaking it now. There we go. And then there's the front wall of it on the back of the bomb bay. I will try and take some photographs of all this and put them in because you can't really see any of the detail on this camera, which is a real shame. But this is not really what the camera's designed for, so yeah. Alright, it's coming along. So yeah, we'll insert some photographs. So yeah, yeah. So that's that bit. Next in the destructions is the waist gunners, and then the ball turret. It's pretty cool. Yeah. So I'll bring you back when I've done that. See you shortly. Right, okay, so I've got the ball turret together. That's come together really nicely. Yeah, I know it's still clear. You probably see that I've masked it up. I will paint that later. I don't want to do it today, but it's ready to go. I have also done a little bit of dry brushing on some of the interior. Yeah, again, the camera's not really going to pick it up. What else have I done? I've painted the inside of the clear bits that go in the nose. Why Revell chose to do these bits in clear instead of having like little windows that you stick in like every other kit, I don't really know. I suppose there is the option of leaving it clear so you can see the inside, which I've seen a couple of people do, but I've obviously chosen not to. So I think it will look a bit silly, but yeah, that's about it. So yeah, cool. I'll let you know when I do a bit more. Next section is the top turret, and then the rear gunner's position, and I think after that is yeah, pretty much. Yeah, there's the top gun that goes in the radio ops position, but I'm going to put that in very last, because I noticed the bit where it goes, you can just drop the gun in at a later stage. So yeah, excuse me. Then pretty much once I've done the other two turrets, I'm going to button up the fuselage. So yeah, I'll probably bring you back just before I button her up. So I'll see you shortly. So yeah, that's the ball turret all painted up, ready to go. So I think I'm ready to get that all put in and buttoned up. Gonna take some pictures first for prosperity, because we're gonna lose all of that detail I've painted pretty much. So yeah, I'll bring you back once she's buttoned up and ready to be sanded down. Alright, there we go. Not exactly the best lighting at the moment, I do apologise, but yeah. All ready to button it up now. I'm going to do a trial fit, make sure it all closes up nicely with everything in. I'm going to try and balance the camera somewhere we can see what's going on, see what happens there. I don't think I'm going to be successful, but it's worth a try. So yeah, I'll speak to you in a minute. Right, okay, that may or may not work. I think that's going to be too low, but we'll have a go, shall we? So yeah, all ready to be buttoned up. Just notice that that's moved slightly, it should be okay. So yeah, it's, I know the top turret's out, but yeah, let's see how well she's going to button up. Yeah, definitely going to need a lot of tape around there. Yeah, it's going to need a lot of tape. Alright, let's open it up again. ball turret's behaving. I should have made sure I had some tape ready, shouldn't I? Never mind. Probably going to pull the masking straight off them windows, but that's not a real problem. So far so good. Yeah, back in. Yep. Yeah, I don't know how well you've been able to see any of this. First time I've attempted filming while actually doing some work on a model. So, dorsal turret keeps trying to jump out. You stay in there, you little bugger. There we go. Right. As you can see, going along. Just gonna do the nose, and then that can sit for a while. And there we go. All buttoned up. Right. I think that'll do for this section. Yeah, this video's probably gone on long enough building the interior, so I will end this one here. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one very soon. Cheers.